I once asked a client in the middle of a training, Bill, what do you think of the presentation you just gave that you watched? Oh, TJ, it was awful. It was boring. It was flat. What am I doing right there? I'm doing someone else's voice. Now, I'm not trying to be funny, and I'm not trying to be a world-class mimic or someone who's going to be on The Tonight Show, but I'm simply acting out, doing someone else's voice, changing it slightly. My recommendation when you're giving speeches, when you're giving presentations, every once in a while, do someone else's voice. It doesn't matter if you're a good mimic. It doesn't matter if you're a good impressionist. It simply creates more variety in how things sound. It breaks up the sheer monotony of most speeches. So don't just summarize what other people say. Don't just quote them. Actually try to become them, even if it's not a direct mimicry of what they're doing or how they sound. It's going to break up the flow and make you sound more interesting. I'm TJ Walker. I help people speak more effectively. If you'd like to improve your own speaking skills, go to MediaTrainingWorldwide.com. You can get a couple of my books for free, and you can also learn about our upcoming workshops, seminars, and online courses.